I recently shared the stage with Tia at a TD event at St. Mary's University. Tia said many things that inspired me, and this video is for me to share some of them. Now meet Tia Upshaw, a true inspiration to all of us. Tia faced numerous challenges on her path to success. With a young family to support and no job prospects, the odds were stacked heavily against her to succeed. But Tia didn't give up. She used her skills and passion for cleaning an organization to start her cleaning business with low-cost supplies from Dollarama. Tia knocked on doors, offering her services at a reasonable rate, which helped build a loyal customer base. Now, in a short time, she built a reputation for quality work, leading to referrals, repeat customers, and rapid business growth. She faced her fears head-on and went all in by hiring more people to keep up with the booming demand. Tia's journey didn't stop there. She went on to establish over 9 successful businesses, with one of them generating over $1 million in revenues last year. Her journey isn't just about personal success. Tia continues to mentor countless women, helping them start and grow their own businesses. She's also committed to giving back by employing disadvantaged individuals, providing them with opportunities for a better future. Tia's commitment to generational wealth is commendable. She employed and mentored her daughter early, equipping her with valuable business and management experience. Tia just handed over one of her companies to her daughter, ensuring a continued stream of revenue for multiple generations. Tia is more than a successful entrepreneur. She is a true inspiration to many. She's a motivational speaker, a business incubator, facilitator, and a voice of change and justice on social media. Tia is also an author, so stay tuned for her upcoming book release. In a world full of challenges and obstacles, Tia's journey stands as a testament to resilience, determination, and unwavering dedication. Her life story reminds us all that with hard work and perseverance, we can achieve our dreams and make a positive impact on our community. Thank you, Tia, for being a role model, a mentor, and a true inspiration. I look forward to learning more from Professor Tia because she gives real, practical, effective, rock-solid business and life lessons. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more videos to help you face your fears and live your best life.